Hello everyone, welcome to Nugini Forex Trader. In this video, we are going to do an analysis on the USDJPY. We will start our analysis by marking out the highs and lows of the weekly time frame. Then we will go down to the daily time frame and mark the highs and lows. Next, we will draw further down to the 1 hour time frame where we are going to identify the liquidity. Liquidity is always the reason why market moves into that direction. Like if the market goes up or run bullish, it's because it's going to take the liquidity before coming down. Likewise for the bearish run, if the market comes down, it's running for the liquidity. Once it gets the liquidity, it will reverse or run bullish. Then we will identify PDRAs like the fair value gap, imbalance, order block, breaker block, and finally we will draw down to the 15 minutes, which is our execution time frame, and we will draw the path or the trend direction. Before we jump straight into our lesson, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that next time I post a new video, you'll be the first to get the notification. Thank you. First, we will look at the weekly time frame. Okay, we are here at the weekly time frame. As we can see from last week's candle, this green candle, it went up to fill this it came up to the opening of this green candle down here. It went up, so, and it formed the low here. It took out the liquidity or the low of this red candle down, and it came all the way. It formed a new low here. Okay, and that's the green candle down on this side. That's the 2 weeks ago candle for 2 weeks ago. That was the opening, so it went up to fill the opening of this down candle. So from here we will draw down to the daily time frame, but before we do that, let's draw out the opening and closing of this last week candle, the green candle here. Let's do it like this. As you can see, the trend, the major trend is on the downward. It's coming down. It's coming down to this side, this big fair value gap, or the block on this side. It's moving down to take out to fill the fair value gap on this side, and eventually it will come somewhere here. But let's draw down to our daily time frame, and we will see if we can see any setup from there. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame. Yep, this is the daily time frame. On Friday we had this green candle. It was coming up. The green candle came up. This is Wednesday. The other green candle, the week that was formed, was Wednesday's candle. It came up here to the line that we draw on the weekly time frame, and this is the Friday's candle. It went up all the way there. So we said that we expect the trend to continue down to this side here. So our trend will continue down. It will run down, but before it comes down on Monday during the opening of new week's trade, the Monday, let's draw down to the 1 hour and 15 minutes to identify what will move the market up or down, up before it comes down. What will move the market up to either take out the eye of this one or not before it comes down. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Here we are at the 1 hour time frame. At the 1 hour time frame, you can see a fair value gap here. This fair value gap market is definitely moving down to fill this fair value gap here. It's coming down. This is our fair value gap. That's from the hourly time frame. Market on Friday it stopped here, so we have one gap here, so we expect the market to come up and fill the gap on this side here. This week has taken fill this gap, but because let's draw down to 15 minutes to see if the week has formed. Okay, this is the New York session on Thursday. This week was formed during New York session on Thursday, but we still have this gap up there and the order block up there under 15 minutes. So we will assume that we open that the market is still going to go up there. It will come to this fair value gap here, or it will come out and take out the liquidity on this side. But it can come up and take the liquidity if there is no fair value gap on this side. But if there is a fair value gap, it will come to the fair value gap and then it will retrace back. But if there is no fair value gap on this side, and we only have the all this one has been mitigated, and then it will definitely come out and take out the liquidity or the eye of last week Friday's candle top on this side, and then it will retrace down. But since we have this fair value gap here, the market is going to come up like this. The market has stopped here. It will continue to come up like this. It will come here. It will take fill the fair value gap there, and then it will come back to the opening. It will come back to the opening. It will come here. It will go there. It will come all the way down here and to the fair value gap on this side. Okay, this is how we expect the market to flow on Monday. This is our expectation. So we will draw the path for this short position. We'll draw a short position for this trade. We expect market to come somewhere here. Our stop loss will be high of this one, and our take profit will be down here. It's like 1:3. Our risk ratio is 1:3. Alright, this is our expected trend movement for Monday. On Monday, this is only for Monday, but during the week we expect the market to continue all the way down to the weekly line that we have drawn here. We expect it to come all the way down here. So market is definitely coming down to this to the eye of this green candle. So what we did, our analysis for today is only for this Monday session or Monday's trading session, but during the week I'll provide the setup for other trades during other days. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so that you will once I upload the analysis, you will get the notification and you'll be able to see and do your trading. With that, thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.